Children, this is question number 2, which says that the perimeter of two similar triangles, the perimeter of two similar triangles are given 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Means there are two triangles whose perimeter values are given 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter, children. Okay. If one side of first triangle value is given 12 centimeter, means only one side is given, that too of first triangle. Determine the corresponding side of second triangle. You have to find the corresponding side of that. First you have to find out that which one is the corresponding side of given side. Then you have to find out that. Easily you can understand this question while drawing the diagram. Okay, children? So there are how many triangles given first? Two triangles. Name of triangle not given. So first of all, let any two triangles, that too not, it is mentioned here similar triangles. So first of all, we have to assume that there are two similar triangles. Name it: triangle ABC, triangle BEF, triangle PQR, triangle STU, whatever two triangles you can take it, children. After that you write perimeter of one triangle value 30 and perimeter of other triangle as a 20. And take any one side of any triangle whose value is given and find the corresponding side of next triangle. Just determine that. So children, actually there is a shortcut formula. What is the shortcut formula? Perimeter of one triangle divided by perimeter of other triangle is equal to the ratio of the corresponding sides. Ratio of the corresponding sides. Most of the teachers used to tell this formula, but why should we by heart this formula? Whatever the theorems we are having, we should go with that only. Why to go for the new formula every time? Let's do the normal process and calculate. Automatically at last you will get that same thing only. If necessary, I will tell that also. Okay? Right, children. So, solution we are going. So first, two triangles are given, that too similar. So let us assume two triangles, children. So let's take two similar triangles. Two similar triangles as triangle ABC and triangle DEF. You can name any, children, that is not important. Okay, let us take two triangles, similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF, children. Okay, children. Next, what we have to do? After that, perimeter of two sides is given, children. Okay, children. Perimeter of two sides is given. So perimeter of any one triangle I am taking as ABC, that value is given 30 centimeter, and perimeter of triangle BEF is equal to 20 centimeter. Let's take, it has three sides, AB, BC, CA. Let us take any one as a first. What is given here? If one side of a first triangle, just it is mentioned that any one side of first triangle, not AB, not BC, not CA. You can take anyone. You can take anyone. But remember, while finding the value of side of next triangle, you must see that that should be corresponding of this taken. So here ABC triangle has three sides, AB, BC, CA. So here I am going to take here AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Whatever value is given the side, I am taking here side as a AB. Okay, children. What you have to find out, we'll see later. Now, children. So first, is there any clue to find out? No. Only one clue is given. These two are similar triangles. These two are similar triangles, children. Okay, children. And one clue is given, perimeter. What is given? Perimeter. So how to find, children? Let's see first. Use this one. Use this one. Similar triangle. So what? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, children. Okay, how? It is a given. It is a given, children. Where it is similar, we know that what? Very simple. Ratio of corresponding sides, that is AB upon first two I am taking here, then first two here. DE. Now I am going to take second two, BC. So here also second two by, this is very important. Here first and third, AC. So divide by, here also first and third. This step is very important. This is called ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. You should write here. Ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles are equal. Okay children, right. So children, whatever if you divide the value of AB with DE, we get some value. If we divide the value of BC with EF, we get some value. If we divide the value of AC with DF, we get some value. And these all values are same. Let that values be K. Whatever the value is, K children. Let that value be K. This is important here. So now, individually also they are equal. If you divide this value, you will get this much. If you divide this much. If you divide this much. And whole we can say that all four are equal. I am going to take separately children. So, or it can be written as a AB upon D is equal to K. As well, BC upon EF is equal to K. As well, AC upon DF is equal to K. So it's a number 1. Okay children. Actually these are three different bits, but I have taken as a number 1 just for understanding purpose. Not necessary to mention this. Okay children. After that this concept we used, similarity concept we used and came up to here. After that there is no more chance because only one side is given. Only one side is given. AB side is given. And what is its corresponding side? AB corresponding side is DE. See in the figure. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. AB is the first side here. So its corresponding side is DE. Means you have to find out DE children. Okay. So next with this clue we cannot go further. Go for the second clue, perimeter. So perimeter of triangle ABC. Yes children, what is means by perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but, yes, perimeter of square, perimeter of triangle we have studied now. What is by perimeter? Sum of the lengths. Sum of the lengths. It has three sides. What are three sides? AB, BC and CA. Let us add them. So AB plus BC plus CA. I added them children. Okay. So perimeter value is given how much? 30 centimeter is equal to AB. What is the AB children? This AB is equal to, just now by cross multiplying, what can we take? In place of AB, we can write K into D, is it not? AB by D is equal to K. So AB is equal to K into D. K into D plus similarly BC. This BC is nothing but EF into K, that is K into EF plus in place of AC DF into K, so K into DF. K into DF children. Is anything common here? Yes. 30 centimeters equal to K is common. So inside DE plus EF plus DF. Now children, by seeing this, any idea in mind? What is DE plus EF plus DF? It is looking to be sum of three sides. Sum of three sides. So what may be these three sides children? What may DE side, EF side and DF side. Sum of three sides means it might be a triangle, sides of triangle. Check it. Suppose you are taking triangle DEF. What will be its perimeter? Sum of DE plus EF plus DF. It is not the same thing. So in place of DE plus EF plus DF, what can we write children? Yes, we can write simply that left side how much value given? 30 centimeter. Okay, 30 centimeter is equal to right side what? K into, in place of DE plus EF plus DF, what can we write? We can write perimeter of perimeter of triangle DEF, children. Right? Now we are close to our answer. 30 centimeter is equal to K into how much perimeter of triangle DEF given, children? It's a 20 centimeter. So that is K is equal to how much, children? 30 centimeter upon 20 centimeter. Centimeter cancel. There is a 10 common. 10 3s are 32. That is K value we find it, children. Almost we are very close to our answer. Now we find out the value of K. So one more thing, children. Here you might be seeing that what we wrote, AB by D is equal to K. From first substitute the value of K in 1. That is AB by DE is equal to K. AB side given, children, how much? 12 centimeter. By D we have to find out is equal to K. Just now we find it 3 by 2. Cross multiply. So DE is equal to 12 centimeter into 2 by 3. 3 4s are 12. So D is equal to 4 2s are 8 centimeter, children. 8 centimeter. So is it not easy? Very easy but somewhat lengthy. But almost if comes in 1 marks or 2 marks, need not to go that. There is a shortcut method, not extra method. It comes from here only. What it is, children, see here. This 30 centimeter is the value of what? Perimeter of triangle ABC. So in place of 30 centimeter, what can we write, children? What can we write? Perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to K into perimeter of DEF. Okay? Or divide this side. But what happened? Perimeter of triangle ABC divided by perimeter of triangle DEF is equal to K. Is equal to K. And K is nothing but what? AB by D or BC by EF or AC by DF. Okay, children? Let's see that method also. Because sometimes, somewhere, if you see that method, you will say that sir has not told me this method and it used to be very easy. So why should I be blamed? Let me tell that method also. Very simple, children. Perimeter of triangle ABC divided by perimeter of triangle DEF is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. There is a ABC similar to DEF given now. So AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. It's a method 2. So this is given 30 centimeter. This is given 20 centimeter. AB value given 12 centimeter by DE. Just by cross multiplying, we came to same here at last. But this method is required to by hurting. Okay? Actually it came from that only. And if sometimes in the exam the question is asked in half marks or 1 marks, it's better you go there. If asked in 4 marks, obviously you should do that one, children. Okay, children? I hope you understand very well.